menonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan tekan tombol lonceng. Selamat menyaksikan.
ASEAN Marketing Summit atau AMS 2023 yang menjadi bagian dari acara Marketplace Conference 2024 mendeklarasikan di Jakarta Declaration of ASEAN 56. Deklarasi tersebut dibacakan oleh Direktur Internasional Indonesia Marketing Association Andi Rahim dan diikuti oleh ratusan tamu dan peserta dari perwakilan negara-negara ASEAN di Glass House The Ritz-Carlton Jakarta Pacific Place. Mereka yang datang merupakan para pimpinan asosiasi marketing negara-negara ASEAN, tokoh marketing ASEAN dan marketing muda yang memiliki prestasi. Acara ini juga turut dihadiri dan dimeriahkan oleh putri-putri binaan Yayasan Eljon Indonesia. ASEAN Marketing Summit 2023 merupakan bagian dari ajang marketing terbesar se-Asia yang telah berjalan ke-18 kali yakni Marketplace Conference 2024. Perhelatan ini berlangsung 2 hari pada 6 hingga 7 Desember 2023. Melalui deklarasi ini, ASEAN Marketing Caucus berkomitmen untuk mendorong penyelesaian secara damai dalam menghadapi potensi konflik bisnis ASEAN hingga berkolaborasi membangun platform di mana komunitas ASEAN dapat bertukar pengetahuan mengenai tren bisnis. Selain itu, untuk memajukan keunggulan pemasaran yang sejalan dengan prinsip-prinsip sustainability bersama profesional pemasaran. IMF ASEAN Caucus Declaration of Roger Wang yang membuka acara ini menjelaskan kekuatan pertumbuhan ekonomi di ASEAN.
Right, but however, I think we have proven as mankind itself that we're able to actually withstand, withhold, and at the same time to overcome obstacles like that. So this is actually the spirit of human mankind itself. And today I would like to also let you know, perhaps to inform our guests here, that this spirit actually exists in the Asia Marketing Federation and ASEAN Marketing Caucus. So the vision of staying together to resolve among ourselves and at the same time to find ways and means for us to progress further. And henceforth, I think the theme for today it's very, very appropriate. Right, the next engine, which is unstoppable, ASEAN. I think this itself could not have been more timely. I think among all the globally itself, I think ASEAN has actually emerged even stronger after the pandemic, and henceforth I think we are looking ahead towards to enjoy high growth in this region itself. So this year it also marks a very remarkable year. In the area of marketing, there are a lot of new breakthroughs. I think one in particular, we all know, the artificial intelligence marketing platform that has created a lot of opportunities for marketers like us. It used to be the digital, remember we went through the whole digital transformation, the digital marketing era itself. And in today's context, I think the AI marketing has taken on another new level, which offers a lot of new opportunity in our context today. So I believe this will be mentioned by our prominent speakers. So please give a round of applause to all the speakers that will be speaking today and tomorrow.
Founder and Chairman M-Corp Hermawan Kartajaya dengan bangga menjelaskan tujuan dari acara tersebut. Menurutnya saat ini industri-industri bersaing untuk mendapatkan kolaborasi dengan Asia dan Indonesia juga memiliki pasar yang besar.
If you never come to our conference, you will be surprised to see tomorrow. Pak Jokowi came to our conference 2 times, but tomorrow, because this is election campaign time, we don't invite any government officer and we don't invite any politician, because we will say tomorrow, please don't talk about politics. 12 hours from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. tomorrow, but talk about marketing. Just 12 hours. And tomorrow, if you are interested to Indonesia, especially for my friend from outside Indonesia, there are 7 rooms separated that you can just come and go, listen to them in Indonesia, but there is a translation in English by earphone, or if you cannot find the translation equipment, just ask your Indonesian friend. This is the way you introduce yourself to Indonesian, right? What is the meaning? So you will update yourself about Indonesia. In the morning, I will talk about Indonesia in general 2024, and at 4 o'clock there will be panel of industry association. So tomorrow there will be 13 industry association talking about 2024. what happened in Indonesia. Indonesia is the biggest market, so you must be interested to know what will be happening in Indonesia in various industries. And
Sementara itu, Direktur Jenderal Kerjasama ASEAN Kementerian Luar Negeri RI Sidarto Reza Suryodipuro mengatakan ASEAN perlu mengembangkan sektor-sektor baru untuk mempersiapkan pertumbuhan yang berkelanjutan di masa yang akan datang. Sidarto yakin ASEAN Marketing Summit 2023 dapat memberikan solusi untuk membantu meningkatkan pertumbuhan di negara-negara Asia Tenggara, khususnya melalui sektor-sektor baru, salah satunya pemasaran 6.0.
As you know, ASEAN started as a regional bloc seeking peace and stability in the region. And Pak Hermawan very aptly put this, that there has been no open, hot conflict in the region more than half a century. ASEAN has transformed into an outward-looking, economically stable, more prosperous region. It is a region that is centered on the ASEAN regional architecture. The spirit of transformation consistently drives the ASEAN community building process, propelling ASEAN towards greater collaboration and economic integration. Recent years, all of us have been presented with unprecedented challenges, namely the geopolitical and geoeconomic shifts coupled with the impact of the global pandemic. There is also the challenge of safeguarding ASEAN's economic interest before a polarizing global economy, a polarization that threatens to divide trade, investment, and supply chain along the developing polars. It does bring benefits, as Pak Hermawan pointed out. The ASEAN region becomes a very attractive alternative. But for ASEAN also, it must keep its competitive edge. Up to now, ASEAN has continued to exhibit robust growth and outpacing global average. It is a region that is growing 4.6% this year and projected to grow 4.9% next year. It will outpace the growth of the global economy. ASEAN's own trade reached 3.8 trillion US dollars and FDI inflows of 224 billion US dollars. So high among the top in the world, competing with the likes of China and the United States in terms of investment inflows.
Kegiatan ASEAN Marketing Summit 2023 ke-9 ini juga menghadirkan penghargaan Indonesia Branded Export Award 2023 yang merupakan apresiasi yang diprakarsai oleh Mark Plus dan sudah mendapatkan dukungan dari Wakil Ketua Umum Bidang Perdagangan, Kamar Dagang dan Industri Indonesia atau Kadin dan Indonesia Marketing Association atau IMA. Pada hari kedua, akan digelar acara Indonesia Marketing Convention di Grand Ballroom lantai 4 The Ritz-Carlton, Jakarta, Pacific Place. Acara tersebut akan menghadirkan keynote speaker Hermawan Kartajaya yang akan menyampaikan Indonesia Marketing Outlook 2024. Kemudian ada beberapa diskusi menarik tentang dunia marketing, serta akan digelar Government Techno Marketing World. Tim Eljon Media melaporkan.